In this training, we're going to go through how to add in users to your clinic on the ClinicDr application. So to start, we're going to use the clinic menu in the upper right-hand corner and go into Provider and Support. We'll click on New to add in a new user. For the contact type, we have 4 different contact types that provide different levels of access in ClinicDr. The administrator level access is the highest level of access in our application and provides unlimited access for the clinic. Only an administrator can create and modify treatment roles, contact types for users in ClinicDr. The provider role and the administrator role alike can sign off on treatment notes. Providers are different from administrators in that providers don't have access to pending claims or the financial reports. The billing level has almost the same rights as administrators. However, billing level users cannot create users or edit contact types, but they do have access to pending claims and financial reports. Support is the lowest level user on ClinicDr, and a support user cannot access the pending folder, sign off on records, or access financial information in the reports. The next field, treatment role, allows you to optionally indicate what type of provider the user is. Using the treatment role dropdown will enable different rules in the pending claims folder that will guide you to successful claim practices. The next field is the phone number. You can optionally add in a mobile number as well, and NPI number. Now this relates to individual NPI numbers for providers. If you are not a provider, you can enter in all 0s or all 9s, but the field is required. The active toggle button indicates that this user is able to log into the system. Active on Scheduler allows this user now to have a column in the scheduler, and selected as header relates to the default for that scheduler appearing when you log into the ClinicDr application. When you choose Active on Scheduler, another field, Order on Scheduler, appears. This is if you'd like to order specific providers on the schedule so their columns show up in a particular order. Next is setting a user ID and password. Now it's important that everyone using the ClinicDr application has their own user ID and password and is unique and protected and not shared with others. The password does need to be at least 6 characters in length. We'll go ahead and save our user here. All right, now if you do need to change the password, you can come back into the clinic menu into Provider and Support, select the user in the list, and then click the Change Password link. You will need to know your old password in order to set a new password. And that concludes the training on how to add in a user to ClinicDr.